Well, hello. Today I am packaging my beautiful snap bars, and these ones are absolutely gorgeous, smelling delicious. They are made from real coffee beans and filled with coffee fragrance. So I just slide them in here to my little bags, and so I'm going to just slide them in, make it nice and easy. I don't want to break any part of them. So they're made with soy wax, and then I just snap this part over of the bag, and then I have my lovely little label here which says thank you for supporting our small business. And so that'll keep this part down here. And then on the other side, the main part, we have our label, which just goes right on top here with all our information. And of course, Salzy Wax Melts, Coffee Addict. And there we go.